In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to JSON. JSON is the go-to format for web apps and APIs, and the quickest path from a spreadsheet is to export your data to CSV and then turn that file into JSON. Before we begin, tidy your worksheet. Put clear column headers in the first row, keep one header per column, and avoid merged cells or blank header names. If you have formulas, make sure the calculated values look the way you want. Dates and numbers should use a consistent format. Start in Excel by opening the File menu. This is where you access saving options, whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. Choose Save As or Save a Copy if the workbook is stored in the cloud and you don't want to overwrite it. Next, in the Save dialog, pick the location for the new file and change the file format from the default workbook type to CSV. If available, choose CSV UTF-8 to preserve non-English characters. Give the file a descriptive name, then save. Excel may warn you that only the active sheet will be saved, and that some features aren't supported in CSV. That's expected. CSV stores raw, tabular text only, so confirm to continue. If your workbook has multiple sheets you want to convert, save each sheet as its own CSV by activating it and repeating the save. With your CSV ready, you can now bring it into JSON. Many developer tools, scripts, and online converters can read a CSV and produce a JSON file in seconds. When you import, the column headers become the JSON keys, and each subsequent row becomes an object in an array. If your tool offers options, let it detect data types so numbers and booleans aren't quoted, and keep the delimiter set to comma unless your region uses a different list separator. Export the result as a JSON file and note where you save it. After export, open the JSON in a viewer or text editor to spot-check the structure. Confirm special characters display correctly. Verify that empty cells are either null or empty strings depending on your converter, and make sure nested data you need wasn't stuck in a single cell. If characters look garbled, resave the CSV as UTF-8. If values broke across columns because of commas, check that the original cells were properly quoted in Excel. That's it. You've converted Excel to JSON by saving to CSV and importing it into a JSON workflow. Keep your headers clean and your data consistent, and the conversion will be smooth every time. You're ready to use the data in your app, API tests, or configuration files.